MAC Air Duct Cleaning is a trusted provider of professional HVAC inspection services in Philadelphia County, PA, dedicated to ensuring cleaner air and more efficient home and commercial systems. Known for prompt service, honest recommendations, and customer satisfaction, MAC Air Duct Cleaning is a dependable choice for maintaining a safe and healthy indoor environment. Call our HVAC inspection team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a HVAC inspection near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC Air Duct Cleaning. Why is an HVAC inspection important? Regular inspections help improve indoor air quality, increase energy efficiency, prevent costly repairs, and extend the lifespan of your HVAC system. What is included in an HVAC inspection? Our HVAC inspection includes a thorough evaluation of your heating and cooling system, including ductwork, vents, filters, coils, and overall system performance. We check for dust buildup, leaks, mold, and efficiency issues. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our HVAC inspection has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewerytown, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where is your HVAC inspection in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue No. 206, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.